If you've ever wondered whether you can request a birth certificate for someone else, the answer is yes, but it depends on your relationship and your legal authorization. Getting a birth certificate for another person isn't always straightforward. Each U.S. state has its own rules, and who qualifies really depends on your connection to the person named on the record. Here's who can usually request a certified copy of someone else's birth certificate. Parents, if you're listed on the record, you can request your child's certificate. Legal guardians, you'll need guardianship papers or a court order. Adult children, you can request a deceased parent's certificate for legal or estate matters. Spouses or domestic partners, you can use your marriage certificate or partnership document as proof. And attorneys or legal representatives, you'll need a signed authorization from your client. Birth certificates hold sensitive personal information. That's why states limit who can access them. They're used to prove identity, citizenship, and age, and they help prevent fraud and identity theft. To protect privacy, most states require two things: proof of identity and proof of a direct relationship known as a direct and tangible interest. If you're requesting a birth certificate on someone else's behalf, you'll usually need a valid photo ID, proof of your relationship like a marriage or guardianship document, a completed application form, payment for the state fee, and sometimes a notarized authorization form. Each state may have slightly different requirements, so always check your state's Vital Records office for details. If you're eligible, you don't have to deal with confusing government forms or wait in long lines. At Vital Records Online, we guide you through the process step by step, help confirm your eligibility, and securely submit your application to the correct state office. You can even track your order and receive updates until your document is delivered. Requesting a birth certificate for someone else doesn't have to be complicated. You just need the right documents and authorization. If you're not sure whether you qualify, Vital Records Online can help you find out and get your request started safely and securely. Start your secure birth certificate request today at vitalrecordsonline.com.